Have you ever wondered what the world looked like millions of years ago? What if I told you there were sharks with buzzsaws on their heads? It sounds like a plot straight out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? Yet recent fossil discoveries have shown us that truth can indeed be stranger than fiction. Our ancient oceans were once home to these fascinating creatures. The remains of these prehistoric sharks reveal an intriguing feature: saw-like appendages right on their snouts. These weren't just for show either. These buzzsaw sharks, as we'll call them, used these formidable tools for hunting. The serrated, blade-like structure would swing side to side, stunning their prey and making them easy pickings. It's a marvel of nature's design, a testament to the ingenuity of evolution. So, next time you're swimming in the ocean, consider yourself lucky. You won't find any of these buzzsaw-headed creatures lurking beneath. Moving from ancient seas to the present, let's dive into the world of cuttlefish. These are not your average sea creatures. They are the chameleons of the sea, masters of disguise. Cuttlefish possess an intriguing ability to change their colors and patterns, but their talents don't stop at visual deception. They also mimic the behaviors of other sea creatures, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Imagine a creature that can become virtually invisible, or transform into a seemingly harmless object like a rock to elude predators. Or perhaps it chooses to impersonate a deadly species, deterring potential threats. This incredible survival strategy is all thanks to the cuttlefish's complex nervous system and unique skin, which is packed with millions of pigment cells. These cells, known as chromatophores, allow the cuttlefish to alter its appearance in an instant. So next time you spot a sea creature, take a second look. It might just be a cuttlefish in disguise. From the depths of the ocean, let's take a leap into the future of medical science. We're now stepping into an era where human skin, yes, you heard that right, human skin, can be 3D printed. This is a breakthrough that's been hailed as nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine a world where victims of severe burns or other skin traumas could have their skin replaced, not with skin grafts from other parts of their bodies or from donors, but with skin that's been printed specifically for them. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is real, tangible progress being made in the field of regenerative medicine. The potential applications are enormous. From revolutionizing burn treatment to transforming skin grafting procedures, it's a brave new world we're stepping into, one where the lines between technology and biology are increasingly blurred. Who knew that one day we'd be printing skin just like we print paper? Now let's travel to a hidden forest that's not where you might expect. Imagine a forest not of towering trees and rustling leaves, but of microscopic life, flourishing in the depths of the Black Sea. This isn't your typical woodland, but an underwater world where clusters of microbes band together, forming forest-like structures. In the absence of light, these microorganisms have found a way to thrive, creating their own unique ecosystem. Each microscopic cluster, a miniature tree, reaching out into the darkness, swaying with the underwater currents. They're not photosynthesizing like their terrestrial counterparts, but rather they're deriving energy from the chemicals found in the water around them. Their existence is a testament to life's resilience and adaptability, a testament to nature's endless creativity. These underwater forests, hidden beneath the waves, are a reminder that there is still so much to discover about our world. Just when you thought you knew everything about forests, nature throws a curveball. From underwater forests to man's best friend, let's sniff out some amazing facts about dogs. Dogs have an astounding sense of smell, far superior to ours. This fact is harnessed in various fields, from search and rescue to drug detection. But did you know that dogs can also be trained to sniff out diseases? That's right. Their incredible noses can potentially detect illnesses like cancer and Parkinson's disease early on. This isn't just a fascinating party fact, it's a groundbreaking medical prospect. Imagine a simple, non-invasive method of early disease detection, all thanks to man's best friend. Dogs' noses have more than 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to our mere 5 to 6 million. This gives them an unparalleled ability to detect minute scent changes, which can indicate disease. The next time your dog sniffs you, they might just be giving you a health checkup. Now onto a sustainable practice that combines your morning coffee with a surprising agricultural twist. Here's a little-known fact. Used coffee grounds can be cleverly upcycled for mushroom cultivation. You see, coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, a nutrient that mushrooms absolutely love. Instead of discarding these grounds after brewing your morning cup of joe, they can be collected and used as a growing medium for certain types of fungi. This not only reduces waste, but also offers a cost-effective and eco-friendly way to grow your own gourmet mushrooms right at home. This practice, while innovative, is also rooted in a respect for nature and the cycles of life. It's a brilliant example of how we can mimic nature's cycles in our own lives, turning what would normally be waste into a resource. So next time you brew a pot of coffee, think about the potential it holds beyond the cup. Who knew your morning coffee could provide the perfect environment for growing gourmet mushrooms? From ancient sharks to modern technology, we've journeyed through time and across the globe. We've uncovered the prehistoric BUZZSAW-headed sharks that roamed our ancient seas and admired the mimicry prowess of the cuttlefish, a chameleon of the sea. We've marveled at the cutting-edge advancements in medical technology, where human skin can now be 3D printed, potentially revolutionizing treatment for burn victims. We've dived deep into the Black Sea's underwater forest, a fascinating haven for microbial life. We've seen how man's best friend, the dog, can be trained to sniff out diseases, offering a potentially life-saving early detection system. And who knew our morning coffee could have a second life, providing fertile soil for mushroom cultivation? Next time you look at the world around you, remember there's always more than meets the eye. Until next time, keep exploring.